Shoutouts to Nike and UPS for the fast shipping. Got these in 2 days. Usually it takes them 4 days. But this is the holiday release from Jordan brand. This year's holiday release. Last year was the Columbia 11s. This year it's the 72 and 10s. I was able to get a pair with my Swish account. So I got these half off. So let's get to it. Receipt. Gift card. Basically there's nothing in here, but they just want you to add money in there, give it to your friends, family, whatever. So I got a grade school pair. Got a size 7Y. Air Jordan Retro 11s. BG. Colorway is black. Gem red, white, anthracite. Retail $160. I actually woke up late. My alarm didn't work and I wasn't able to get the men's, but I was able to grab a size 7Y. So here it is. 72 and 10s. Right off the bat you can tell the the tumble leather throughout this tongue. Jumpman. And this patent leather. A Jumpman. 2-3. The soles came a little yellow, but still milky. And the grade school, that carbon fiber. The lace tips, I don't know if it's picking up, but it's a 72 and 10. It's the insole. It's the back of the tongue. So grade school comes with these very thin laces compared to the men's. Milky on the toe. Grade school comes with a Jumpman sticker. Here's the other pair. Very nice shoe. And I picked up another pair off Foot Action. Those should be coming in soon. And I was able to scoop up a men's pair, but just not off Nike. Wish I could cop off Nike since I got the employee discount, but still better than nothing. I really like this release. This pair is kind of yellow, but doesn't matter. Very nice shoe overall. People say these were gonna sit, but they didn't. They sold out pretty much everywhere, but maybe some stores aren't sold out, but you can double check on that. But this is my newest pickup, the Air Jordan 11 72 10s. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, peace.